Nyaji YouTube. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and for today I just wanted to show you our farm in the background over there. As you can see, it's dry now, so it's ready for harvest. We have a slightly big shamba and it's quite filled to the brim with maize. We just harvested beans the other day, and they were so plenty. So we're expecting a good harvest on the maize patch, and we thank God for it. As you can see, the rains were good, no locusts, no nothing, no bad things. Thank you, Jesus, and thank you for watching the video.